All right, guys, so quick O2 sensor update. Everything is now installed. The O2 sensor is connected up there with an 18-inch one, and it's there. This one right here, since it has to run all the way to where you see the red tab, I basically did it against the fuel line, across the cross member, through the cross member, and then up. Not the cleanest right now. We can take care of this later, but for now, it gets the car moving, and so it doesn't act like it's dumping fuel anymore. Kind of silly how I felt like Jeep did it, but I mean, when you look at the stock cat converter, it makes sense. But I got O2 sensors in now, so the car should be drivable. So once it's done, I'm just gonna tighten up this bolt right there. And so once this is done, I'll be able to get it home, wait for the Demon Performance water pipe, and then when that comes, then I will be able to do the swap and then take it to Manny, who's going to be doing all the welding. So he's going to be making the downpipe and everything back here. A swappable cat converter for a 3.5 inch to a 3 inch. And then he is going to tie it into here with a Y, and we'll go from there. I guess it's okay there, but I probably need to find a way to support that a little bit more. Yeah, so that's what's going on, guys. Update. I also bought a carbon lip for the front, and I'm gonna have to figure out what this seal is there, because it's definitely leaking and flinging stuff. So lots of fun stuff to do. So stay tuned for the next video.